The idea that if you're going to achieve integrated solutions in sustainable design that really go beyond tweaking the parts, that we really have to think in a different way. We have to design in a different way, not in a linear, hierarchical way, but in a kind of circular way that includes all the disciplines and brings all of the intelligence to the forefront of the project and throughout the project. Not that everybody does everything, but some of the hallmarks of the integrated design process include things like, can the engineer describe the aesthetic concept? Can the architect, describe how the desiccant dehumidification system works? It's this kind of common understanding of all the goals of the project that helps these surprising and synergistic solutions arise. At least that's the theory, and there's a lot of people that support that in the sustainable design world.
So even though we had, say, a team looking at the electrical engineering components of the house, it wasn't all electrical engineering students. We had other students from other disciplines working with them. And that was true of all the teams. And so I think that one of the great pedagogical strengths of the competition was that ability to not only integrate at the general level between these three colleges and to integrate across several disciplines, but also within each team to have an interdisciplinary group working together. And often some of our students were working outside their comfort zone, outside of their discipline. And I think that we did that in part to stretch everybody, that, and to help our students realize that when they're out in the work world, they'll often be working with people from a range of disciplines who sometimes speak a different language, and that part of the world of practice is learning how to communicate across these disciplinary boundaries. So pedagogically, I think it was fascinating. In some ways, as interesting as the house itself, and maybe just as important.